In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-send emails with Gmail and n8n. We'll build a simple automation that sends an email from Gmail whenever your chosen event happens. To begin, open your n8n workspace and head to Workflows. You can work in an existing workflow or start a fresh one so it's easy to test without interfering with anything else. First, add a trigger node. This defines what starts the automation. If you want something time-based, choose Schedule so it runs, for example, every morning. If you're collecting data from a form or app, pick webhooks so the workflow fires the moment a submission arrives. Or if you're tracking records, choose Google Sheets and set it to react to a new row. Pick the trigger that fits your use case best. You can always switch later if your needs change. Now add the email sending part. Search for Gmail in the node picker and select it. Connect it to your trigger so the email step runs right after the event fires. Inside the Gmail node, set the resource to message and the operation to send. That tells n8n you want to create and send a new email rather than list or read messages. Before you can send anything, you'll authenticate. Open the credentials drop-down in the Gmail node and choose Create New. Give your credential a clear name so you recognize it later. For the authentication method, use OAuth2 and sign in with the Google account you want to send from. Approve the requested permissions so n8n can send emails on your behalf. When you're done, the credential will be available for reuse across workflows. Next, configure the email itself. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. If your trigger provides a contact email, like from a form or a sheet, you can map that field directly so it's dynamic. Then set your subject and body. You can hardcode fixed text for a consistent message or drag and drop data from previous nodes to personalize it, such as a name, order ID, or date pulled from the trigger. With the basics in place, it's time to test. Click Execute Step on the Gmail node. Watch the run output and check the Gmail account to confirm delivery. If you see an error, review your credentials, recipient address, and any mapped fields. When your test succeeds, toggle the workflow to active. From now on, every time your chosen trigger fires, n8n will automatically send the Gmail message you configured. Keep an eye on your email provider's sending limits and make updates as your process evolves. That's it. Your auto-send email workflow is live.